Hello students, you are most welcome again to the new lecture of biology, and we were discussing the chapter, we were studying the chapter how do organisms reproduce, and under that topic we were discussing the sexual reproduction in the plants. So today we are going to start fertilization in the plants. See children, you know that during the pollination, whatever the pollens are there, they move from anthers to the stigma of a flower. Suppose if you regard a flower, then whatever the anthers are there, from there the pollens move to the stigma of a flower. Okay, and a pollen, after sticking to the stigma, if you have not seen the previous videos, you see the previous videos who has to get a better understanding of the related topics. So a pollen, after sticking to the stigma, you see that this is the pollen which has came from the anthers, of a flower to the stigma of a different flower or of a same flower. So whatever the pollen has came, it sticks, this pollen sticks to the stigma. This is the stigma, you can see this is the stigma, and this pollen has stuck on the stigma. So this pollen starts germinating. You can see this pollen has started germinating, and whatever the pollen has started germinating, it had formed a pollen tube. Okay, when the pollen starts germinating, it forms a pollen tube. You can see the pollen starts germinating and becomes a pollen tube. So as in the previous slide you have seen that whatever the pollen is there, it starts germinating and it becomes a pollen tube. Now the pollen tube grows and reaches to the style, to the ovary, and then to the ovule through micropyle. Here you can see again that whatever the pollen tube is there, this pollen tube has increased in size and it had reached to the style. This portion is style, and then it reaches to the ovary. This portion is ovary. Okay, this particular portion is ovary. And in the ovary, the ovule is there. This portion is ovule. Okay, in the ovary, this portion is ovule, and within the ovule, the pollen tube, within the ovule, this pollen tube within the ovule, it reaches to the pollen tube through a micropyle. You can see here, this is an ovule structure, this is a micropyle, an opening of the ovule. So from here, whatever the pollen tube had came, from here the pollen tube reaches over here. Okay, through the micropyle, the pollen tube grows, it reaches to style, and then it comes to the ovary, and from the ovary the pollen tube reaches to the ovule's micropyle. Okay, the opening of the ovule is called as micropyle. You can see here. Now next, what you can see, that whatever the pollen grain was there, it was having two types of cells, germinative cells as well as vegetative cells. This is a pollen grain, so it is having two type of cells. This pollen grain is having two type of cells. As you can see, this pollen grain, this is the pollen grain, mature pollen grain, it is having germinative cells as well as vegetative cells. Okay, so vegetative cells, they degenerate, and germinative cells, they extend to become a pollen tube. These are generative cells, so these only they extend to become a pollen tube. Okay, and within the generative cells, two male gametes are there. What are there? Two male gametes are there within this generative cell. Two male gametes are there. Later on, these two male gametes will only pass through this pollen tube and reach to the ovary or ovule. Okay, now let us talk about that two male gametes reach to the ovule's embryo. Whatever this ovule is there, embryo sac is there. This is the embryo sac. Here, from the pollen tube, through this pollen tube, whatever these male gametes are there, these male gametes, they come out from this pollen grain and they extend through the pollen tube, and then they reach to the ovule. Okay, and whatever the one of the male gamete is there, it fuses with the egg cell. One of the male gamete is fusing with the egg cell. This is the egg cell. As you can see, this is the egg cell. So one of the male gamete will be going and it will be fusing with the egg cell. Okay, it will fuse with the egg cell and it will form a zygote. It will form a zygote, and the formation of zygote, when one of the male gamete fuses with the egg cell to form the zygote, is called as syngamy. This process is called as syngamy. Now the other male gamete, two male gametes are there. Now the other male gamete, it fuses with the secondary nucleus. Okay, it fuses with the secondary nucleus. So you can see here, you can see these sperm cells means two male gametes. This is one male gamete, this is another male gamete. So one of the male gamete will fuse with the egg cell and it will form the zygote, and this process will called as syngamy. And the other male gamete will fuse with the secondary nucleus. Other male gamete will fuse with the secondary nucleus, and this will be called as triple fusion. The other second male gamete will be fusing. Second male gamete will be fusing with the secondary nucleus. This process will be called as triple fusion. So the one of the male gamete, when it fuses with the egg cell, it forms a zygote. Another male gamete, when it fuses with the secondary nucleus, where is the secondary nucleus? You can see here. You can see here secondary nucleus. Whatever the secondary nucleus, it will fuse with the secondary nucleus. It will form the endosperm, the seed coat. Whatever this seed is there, this surrounding area is seed coat, and here inside it an embryo is there. This embryo is formed when the male gamete fuses with the egg cell. When the male gamete is fusing with the egg cell, this kind of structure is formed, and when the male gamete is fusing with the secondary nucleus, this outer structure is formed. Okay, are you understanding? So since two male gametes fuse in two different ways, the fertilization is called as double fertilization. And after the double fertilization, this ovary will become enlarged to become a fruit. Okay, so fruits are enlarged ovaries. Are you understanding? So hope this topic is clear. So take care, keep on washing your hands so as to avoid any kind of the risk of contamination due to COVID-19. Meanwhile, take care children. Thank you.